to Greece, you have to see the background. We felt that the unilateral announcement of the referendum was a breach of confidence by Greece in relation to its European partners, because that questioned the commitment of Greece to the decisions of the Euro area summit, which were taken to the benefit of Greece and for the sake of Greece and Greek people. Now this confidence needs to be mended, and it was very clear yesterday in the Eurogroup that the finance ministers of the Euro area expect that there is not only a written commitment, written confirmation of the commitment by a broad-based government of national unity, but also that the prior actions that were required to be decided and undertaken are indeed done as a condition of disbursing the sixth tranche in time and launching the negotiations of the second program, including also private sector involvement. So we see that now it is essential to repair the social contract between Greece and the rest of the Euro area, and the way to do this to mend confidence is indeed by a commitment in writing on paper plus concrete prior actions as a condition of moving forward.